Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFI token. On a weekly time frame chart, YFI token has already broken out three patterns. One was this big down channel, and while moving inside this big down channel, it also formed another smaller down channel and broke out both patterns together here. And after that, it was stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, it pumped very well. And by the way, if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, and you can see that it pumped almost 247%, but could not break out this quite long-term resistance of $11,240. And now you can see that once again, it is rejected. And right now it is dropped down at this long-term support of $6,900. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line, this is for the second day that the price line is moving above this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very big support that was previously breaking as a resistance, and now for the past several months it is breaking as a very strong support. And right now YFI token is also testing this support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal worked, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for nulls, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 27th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of YFI token. And here you can see that previously for the past several months, since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this very big down channel. And while moving inside this channel, it formed another down channel. And when it was moved here at this support, that was in fact a complete support zone that starts from 4,800 and goes to 5,500. In those days, I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this big down channel, because the price line has formed another smaller down channel that is another bullish pattern. And now it is dropped at this key support line that starts from 4,800 and goes to 5,500. And you can see that we broke it out, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $11,240, got rejected and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. By the way, previously this $11,240 had been breaking as a resistance here, and again it worked as a resistance. And after the breakout from this channel, you can see we had a nice pump up to $15,955, but could not break out this resistance of $11,240. You can, by the way, watch the closing price here of this candlestick, and the closing price of this candlestick was at $8,825, and we dropped down at this support of $6,900. Once again, got rejected recently here a few weeks ago by this resistance of $11,240, and now we are again dropped down at this support of $6,900. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that this is the second day. Yesterday we had a very big spike to the downside, but could not break it down. And now again, this is the second day that the price line is testing this support. In case of breaking it down, it can again drop down at this long-term support zone that starts from $4,800 and goes to $5,500. Now, if we take a look at this, another support, that is a support, the Ichimoku bearish cloud. Right now, you can see that the price line has broken down the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is testing the lower bands. Previously, it was happening here when we had this drop from the month of November 2023 up till here in the same month of November 2023. Then you can see that the price line broke down the upper bands, and it has been testing several times for several weeks this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Then we had this pump, and right now you can see that it is very close to hit this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And therefore we also need to keep an eye on this support as well, this Ichimoku bearish cloud that can now work as a very nice support, because previously it had been breaking as a very strong resistance, and now You can see, in fact, it has flipped into a nice support for the past several months or weeks. It is working as a nice support. Now, if you take a look at the targets for these breakouts, then target for the breakout from this down channel and from this falling wedge pattern and from this down channel was here at the top of the channel at this resistance of $11,240. And now, if you take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big and down channel, that move can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.